Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So over the last couple trading days, I've been saying if we get a break of structure down at a Fibonacci level, it definitely could make for a decent short. As you'll notice, none of these pushes down ever broke any significant structure whatsoever. So this is all higher highs, higher lows, no Fibonacci bounce, no break of structure. So definitely still bullish. As of right now, my most recent structure is right here. If price does like a double top, goes down and breaks that, then I would become bearish. Otherwise, I would definitely stay bullish. We are back up at the highs from the daily time frame, but based on the weekly, the trend is very heavily up. And it definitely could just make another pullback and just keep on trending up. So I am definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend, at least until the market tells us otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.